Hi everybody, what's going on? I am out strolling on my daily night stroll with Leon. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. No? Okay. We're on our way to the park to just run off some energy before bedtime and all that. But I wanted to upload this video because IGTV just launched, like I was talking about earlier this morning, and I thought, why not try it out? So I'm trying it out, and yeah, so far I think it feels a purpose for sure, and especially us YouTubers who are trying to grow a community of supporting people around us. I definitely feel that IGTV is going to be a good place to do that. In addition to YouTube, I don't think that, I guess like a lot of people kind of probably contemplating, Instagram and Facebook trying to get YouTube, the YouTube to get out of business or whatever, whatnot. But honestly, I don't think that's going to be the case. I think it's just like a compliment to whatever we do on YouTube or whatever we do on our blog or whatever we do on Facebook. Like, I think it's just like all has a part of the community building, and I think it's awesome. So I feel like this is just like sent from above in like the season that I'm in right now, when I'm like trying to kind of not get stressed out about making everything perfect and compete with other YouTubers, and like looking at very polished content and get anxiety because I don't feel like I'm there yet. And I don't know, I've been trying this live thing now for a couple times, and I just feel like it just really resonates with me. I feel like it's just like really does make sense to take off that edge of like being scared of failing. So even though this is like a brand new thing, and we don't know where it's going or anything like that, it just launched literally last night. So I mean, we don't know anything about it, but just like anything in life, we're not prepared for it ever. We're not prepared for it. And especially us moms, like, what are we experiencing on a day-to-day basis? New things, new development stages, new tantrums, new food aversions, like everything is new to us and to our babies. So why are we gonna be scared of trying something new? I'm just thinking back to like how scared I was of even doing video in the beginning, and now it's like not scary anymore. I just need to just get out and do it and just document my stuff, because I have a story to tell. We all do, and it's time to get that story out there, because we are going to help other people. And in my case, I am just like on fire for helping other moms that are going through stuff. So yeah, that's why I feel like this was just the perfect timing, and I'm definitely gonna take advantage of IGTV. Hi. Yeah. So yeah, I'm actually like super low on battery, so I am going to end this right now. But yeah, I don't even know if it's like, I think it's gonna be able to like leave comments. But if you see this and you're all like curious about IGTV as well, just let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. Are you guys scared? Are you guys excited? Whatever is going through your mind about the IGTV stuff. Do you guys think that it will take out YouTube? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you soon.